Thursday, December 21st. And this is what it's like to get on the freeway in Denver right now. It's not even really plowed, just people with four-wheel drives have just sort of cleared their own path. And then now out here on Interstate 25, I mean, it's like a ghost town. Never seen anything like it. You just kind of take your own path and go for it. Fast lane over there hasn't been plowed. There's one car behind me, maybe one car ahead of me. There's a sign on the right telling you how to take the exit to the airport. That doesn't matter. Airport's closed. No one should be going there. It almost feels safer up here because there's no other cars and you got a long way to go before you'll run into anything if you get into trouble. Alright, I'm going to pull off here, so I better stop recording. I don't know, we'll do this. Here. Second gear, maybe? There we go. No problem.